Hello. This video is going to focus on the links post type that you can see here on the WordPress login screen. So you can see down the left-hand side here we have the links post type. Now the links do work in a slightly different way to what they do with other post types, and the reason being is that the useful links, if I just go into the front end of the intranet for you, and you can see up at the very top here we have this links button. So if I click into links, it brings again another sort of filter directory for you to be able to search for different links that are available within the intranet. So the links are essentially taking you to external places, but because it's an intranet, it's nice to have that one hub where you can pretty much access everything that you need to when working for the trust. So at the moment, you can see that we've got all these different links available. So we've got things like bank staff, we have, you've got e-referral, NHS mail, all that kind of thing. So essentially, we're just creating links that are going to be available for you to access just based off the internet, for this to be your one-stop place to access the things that you need to be able to do your job. So when you have your own login, you can see at the minute that I've got some favorite links set up that are down, that you can see at the very top here. So essentially what you're going to be able to do is if you click into edit my apps, you can decide just by hovering over any of the links that are available, you can click into those and they're going to then add themselves to your favorite links. So a really good way for you to decide what your favorite links are, maybe just think about, the things that you access the most. So NHS mail might be one of them. Again, just clicking through the different links, you can set those to be your own individual favorite links. They're obviously going to be different for each person. So that might be something for you to just be mindful of when people do get access to the intranet, that they're able to set up their own favorite links that will then just show at the very top, rather than them having to either scroll through and find all the links that they want to access. It might be that the link that they're looking for is V very down at the bottom, so they can then set that to their favorite link so it shows up straight away. So for you to be able to add different links, you just want to go into the links post type, and you can see that we've got the list of different links all in here. And we've also got some categories applied to those as well. So Newcastle Hospital Systems, National NHS Systems, and things like that. So essentially, you can see that there's also the link icon that shows here. And then if we hover over that, it shows us which link that's taken us to. So thinking about maybe, editing existing links, it could be that you have a look and you think, we know that the North Cumbria link that we've got available, the actual URL has changed, so you can hover over that and see what it is, click into it and edit it if you need to. But essentially, you just want to go in and add a link, and you'll see that it is very different to the other post types in that there's no editing involved really. It's just a case of adding the link title and then the URL. So if we were to put, again, example link, and it would be a case of just clicking a custom URL. So very similar to how you saw with the, if you were to watch the pages post type, you could do a hot link. So you want to click a custom URL and then you just paste in the URL that you're wanting to apply as a link. Then you can also assign it to a category if you want to. So you can decide that it's an other. You can then publish that, and then that's going to be available in the links that you can see here. So the reason why this category is applied as well is just that if people are wanting to filter through, they can decide that they want to go for Newcastle Hospital Systems, and then all of those are going to be available. So this is really easy to do. If there are any other links that you need to add to the links page, you just want to add the title of what that is, and then also just drop in the URL. So it'd be a case of obviously opening another tab, finding that URL, copying and pasting it, and just popping it in there. That's everything for the links. Hopefully you found that useful. Just to kind of leave on that now, if I just click leave here and go into categories, again, just similarly, if you've watched a news video, the categories are all editable as well. So it might be that eventually there's some tidying up doing. It could be that you decide to, delete some of these categories, add new categories again. So you can just hover over the one that you want to delete, click delete, change the name of it just by clicking the quick edit, and or you can create new categories just by popping the name in there and then add in the new category. That's then going to be available for all existing and new links that are added to the intranet. That is now everything. So hopefully you found that useful. Thank you very much.